I have one project for all of you. So if you're absolute beginner, advanced, intermediate, you can build this project. And once you complete this project, you will master every single thing which you have to know as a complete blockchain developer. Then you will learn about the programming language, that how you have to write the smart contract, what are the logic, what are the security models you have to follow when you are designing and dealing with the ownership, validation of underflow, overflow, reentrancy attack, how you can manage the models we have in the smart contract for error handling, how you can take the better security model in the front end part, because sometimes the contract owner, sometimes the user will interact with your DApp, but sometimes they're going to interact with the smart contract directly on the blockchain. So you have to think of all the possibility that how your users going to interact with your decentralized application about the contract which you have deployed on any blockchain. So this particular project will teach you every single thing. If you are absolute beginner or advanced, intermediate, this project is must for you to have in your portfolio, because when you will start working on any company for your client, for your project, you're definitely going to build this project, because all of these models, all the business model we have go through this project, where you have to launch the ICO, where you have to provide the staking model, where you have to provide the referral model. These are the important concepts which you have to know as a blockchain developer. So this is the complete playlist we already have on our channel. It is close to 8 hour long project we have, in which you will build the smart contract, you will do the global setup of your package model, that what are the packages you have to get yourself familiar, what are the model structure we have in the packages, how you can design it, how you can make and check that which package is compatible with which node version you are using. So here we have the complete playlist. Again, I'm telling you that if you haven't built this project, make sure to start building it. Try to check every single logic, try to check every single model. So the best part of this particular project that I have divided in a couple of playlists, so you can easily able to navigate and you can easily able to complete this entire 8 hour long project in 1 or 2 weeks if you give 1 hour every single day. So this one is a really powerful project, and this is really one of the projects which you can have in your portfolio, which will give you the exposure of DeFi protocol, how decentralized exchange exactly work, how you can create the liquidity, how token model exactly work, how you can able to follow the distribution model. Those are the important concepts which you have to know as a blockchain developer. It's very important. So this playlist is already live, and I'm also going to link in the description in the comment section, so you can simply click and you can follow the complete playlist. So must watch this, must build this product if you haven't built it. And this will teach you that once you will complete this, you will feel confident that you can able to build a similar project with a different model, because client will come up to you and they will tell you that this is the modification I want, this feature we have in this way, but I want to have a taxation model, I want to take the 10% 1% tax during the sell, during the distribution. That's all you can able to combine. So this one is a really powerful project. Again, if you haven't built it, and that's the only thing I want to cover in this video. All the resources are already given, so you can simply take the final source code if you want, or you can simply follow it straight away from start to end. That's going to be very helpful for you, and you will master all the things which you have to know as a blockchain developer. So that's the only thing I want to cover in this. If you have any question, any doubt, just let me know in the comment section. I'll definitely try to help in that. Have a wonderful day. Bye bye.